Good evening. Dear student, in the previous video, we discussed the chemical properties of metals. And in one property, we saw that a more electropositive metal tend to displace a less electropositive metal from its salt solution. It means metals have tendency to lose electron, but the tendency of the metals to lose electron varies metal to metal. Some metals have a strong tendency to lose electron, whereas other metals have low tendency to lose electron. Obviously, the metals have different degree of reactivity. Some metals are highly reactive and some metals are low reactive. Some metals are moderately reactive. Therefore, metals have been arranged in the descending order, in the decreasing order of their reactivity in the form of a vertical column, such that most reactive metal find its place on the top and the least reactive metal find its place at the bottom. Let's see. This is the reactivity series of some common metals. It does not include all the metals, remember. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold. So this is the reactivity series of most common metals. Potassium is highly reactive metal. And the reactivity series decreases, and then we have least reactive metal at the bottom. So this arrangement is what we call reactivity series of metal. Now the reactivity series has great significance in chemistry. It conveys a number of informations regarding metal. For example, this reactivity series gives you idea of the chemistry of the metal. It gives you idea which metal is likely to displace which metal from its salt solution. A metal which is above in the reactivity series tend to displace a metal which is below in the reactivity series from its compound. For example, magnesium is above zinc in the reactivity series. Therefore, it is likely to displace zinc from its salt solution. Remember, zinc can never displace magnesium. Similarly, iron is more electropositive, it is more reactive than tin and lead and copper. Therefore, it is likely to displace copper from the salt solution of copper, such as copper sulfate. Second, the reactivity series gives you idea of occurrence of metal in nature. The metals which are above in the reactivity series are highly reactive and they never exist in in the free state. They always occur in the combined state, that is in the form of compounds. Whereas the metal which are at the bottom of the reactivity series are least reactive. In fact, they are called noble metals and they occur in free state. So reactivity series predict which metal are likely to occur in the combined state, which metal are likely to occur in the free state. It also gives you idea the nature of the ore or the minerals from which the metals are extracted. You can see that this reactivity series also include hydrogen, which is not a metal. Then what is hydrogen is doing in the reactivity series of the metal? The role of hydrogen in the reactivity series is as a reference element. Hydrogen also has tendency to lose electron and form positively charged ion cation. So like metals, hydrogen is also electropositive. Metals which are above hydrogen in the reactivity series are more electropositive than hydrogen, and therefore they will displace hydrogen from the acid or water. आपको ये आइडिया लगता है इस रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज से कि कौन सी मेटल एसिड्स से या वाटर से हाइड्रोजन को डिस्प्लेस करेंगी? वो मेटल जो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में हाइड्रोजन से ऊपर है वो हाइड्रोजन लिबरेट करेंगी एसिड के साथ या वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन करके. बट द मेटल विच आर बिलो हाइड्रोजन इन द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज, they are less electropositive than hydrogen, therefore they cannot displace hydrogen. वो मेटल जो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में नीचे हैं वो मेटल हाइड्रोजन को डिस्प्लेस नहीं करेंगी. तो हाइड्रोजन का यहाँ रोल इस रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में यह है कि आपको ये आइडिया देती है कि कौन सी मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन से अधिक इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव है, कौन सी मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन से हाइड्रोजन से लेस इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव है. मोरओवर आपको ये आइडिया लगता है कि कौन सी मेटल्स हाइड्रोजन डिस्प्लेस करेंगी एसिड से रिएक्ट करके या वाटर से रिएक्ट करके, और कौन सी मेटल हाइड्रोजन गैस डिस्प्लेस नहीं कर सकती. दैट्स ऑल टुडे. थैंक यू.